Hey, the Garcia team bringing you Real Estate 101. Today we're talking about the purchase contract and the contingency removals in the contract. What is a contingency? A contingency is a condition in the contract that needs to be met by the buyer. There's 3 contingencies that act as a checklist. Once you satisfy all 3 contingencies, you can sign off on them and move forward to closing. When you submit an offer, you submit an offer at a certain value. The value could be $800,000 or $400,000. It just depends on you. Then your lender will come out and perform an appraisal on the property to make sure that the appraisal and the property came in at value. And if it did, then you could remove your appraisal contingency. Done. Then you have your home inspection contingency, which basically states that you, the buyer, have an opportunity to do a home inspection on the property to check the plumbing, to check the roofing, to check the windows, to check the air conditioning, just to make sure that things are running fine. Once you're satisfied with that inspection, then you can remove that home inspection contingency. As a buyer, you're going to need to acquire a loan. So your lender will run all your credit, all the information, and then they'll give you a full underwriting approval or a letter saying that you're fully approved. Then at that point, you can remove your loan contingency.